Hello everybody, my name is Mohammed Al-Mazri and today I'll be teaching you how to factorize polynomials. First of all, what is a polynomial? A polynomial in x or p of x is an equation of a function with x as the independent variable, with the powers of x being positive whole numbers only. The highest powers of x in the equation for p of x is the degree of the polynomial p of x. Now, the definition of factorization. Factorizing is the process of decomposing a polynomial into the simplest factors and expressing the polynomial as a product of these factors. For example, four x minus 8. The common factor is 4. So then you put to put out the simplest form, you put the 4 outside the brackets and it becomes 4x minus 2 inside. So the two main factors are 4 and x minus 2. Now we'll be doing our first question. X cubed plus 3x squared plus 2x. Now, in order to solve this question, we have to find the common factor. As you can see from all these, the whole question, x is the common factor. Therefore, we put x outside of the bracket and then put the rest of the equation inside. So it becomes x squared plus 3x plus 2. Now, to further factorize, we have to apply trinomial. Now, to do that, we have to times two numbers in order to get 3x. So here we go. X times 1, which is x, then 2 times x, which is 2x. So x plus 2x is equal to 3x. So therefore we got this number, and now we use these two numbers in order to further factorize. So our answer would become x bracket x plus 2, and then close bracket, then bracket x plus 1. Now on to a more advanced question. P of x is equal to x cubed minus x squared minus 4x plus 4. Now we have to use trial and error to find the x value that makes p of x equal to 0. This x value gives us one factor of the polynomial p of x. So let's substitute a number. We'll substitute p of 1, which is equal to 1 cubed minus 1 squared minus 1 plus 4, and that gives us 0. Therefore, x minus 1 is a factor. Now, to find the other factor, we have to divide p of x by the first factor using long division. So it will be x minus 1 divided by x cubed minus x squared minus 4x plus 4. Now we have to times something by x in order to get x cubed. The only number that's possible that can go into it is x squared. So x squared times x will give us x cubed. Since we times that by x squared times x, and we also have to times x squared by minus 1. We do that and that gives us minus x squared. Since we are subtracting, we put it into brackets. Minus comes outside, and also this minus is going to affect the numbers inside. So it becomes minus and then positive, so these two cross out. Now we have to bring minus 4x and 4 down. So it becomes minus 4x plus 4. So similarly, we have to times something by x in order to get minus 4x. So the only number that's possible is minus 4. So minus 4 times x is equal to minus 4x. Now we have to also times that by minus 1. So minus 4 times minus 1 is equal to positive 4, sorry. So we're going to put it into brackets, and same thing, the minus goes outside since we are going to subtract it. The minus affects the numbers inside, so that becomes positive, and that becomes a minus. So minus 4x plus 4x, these cancel out. Plus 4 minus 4 cancel out, and that gives us 0. So once we got the second factor, which we did, we have to check if this can be factorized further. If yes, then factorize further. This can be factorized further, and we can do this by differences of two squares. Now we can factorize x squared minus 4 further by the difference of two squares. So it will become x minus 2, x plus 2. Then we bring the first factor down, which was x minus 1, and that goes into our answer. So our answer becomes bracket x minus 1 close bracket, open bracket x minus 2 close bracket, open bracket x plus 2 close bracket. That's it for today. Thank you.